Okay, vacation time. So we're that final push into the summer, but even this is for into the fall and into next year because it's vacations are time for adventures. But for risk takers, are you properly covered? Great to have Nainesh Kotak from Kotak Law joining us for more on travel insurance, because this is always the debate. Like, am I covered when I'm going on vacation?
You're absolutely right. You know, when we buy a book a vacation, normally we rely on our credit card travel insurance because they have it, or group insurance. You know, through your work. But there are significant exclusions in most travel insurance policies for what's called extreme sports. And then you'd be surprised what is considered to be an extreme sport. Could be bungee jumping, even jet skiing, parasailing for sure. So it's important then, I think, if you're going to do those activities, to get yourself covered, because the reality is the majority of injuries, or the risk of injury, is far greater doing activities that are so-called extreme sports. Now, there are companies that will actually sell insurance for what they call adventure or extreme sports. Not really extreme, it's more adventure sports. I think Nomad has it, CAA, Allianz, there's a couple of insurance companies that have
Expensive?
it. Not really that expensive, but it's important. I think timing is a key. You want to purchase your travel insurance at the same time or very close to when you buy your tickets to go away. Because, you know, for example, we see with wildfires, we see what happened with Hawaii, unfortunately. You could buy your ticket, and then if you wait a couple of days or wait, oh yeah, maybe I'll get this travel insurance. And now, let's say, for example, there's a weather forecast or there's a danger that's occurring, and you buy it when that known danger is there, or when there's a travel advisory, then you won't be covered. So buy the travel insurance at the same time. You know, the same issues actually happen with life insurance as well, where you got to really look at your life insurance policy and see what, if you undertake certain activities, and if you pass away, are your beneficiaries going to get paid?
It's one of those things where you just don't really want to look into the life insurance thing because it's like that morbid thing, but it is important, life insurance for disability insurance, right, when you're engaging in these high-risk activities?
Exactly. And listen, you know, this is the big industry. There's a huge industry out there for adventure sports, and it's always growing. It is growing, and it's great to do these things. But it's something we just don't look at. Remember, insurance is always governed by a contract. You have to look at, and you know, we have opportunity. We have group insurance, for example. Look at your group insurance. See what are the exclusions. Look at your credit card, or ask them when you book, am I covered? I'm planning to do these things. Am I covered? The other thing to look at, and sometimes this could lead to very unfortunate circumstances, is if the injury was caused by the consumption of alcohol or drugs. Now, you may not have coverage for that as well. Now, how will they know? I don't, you know, unless they do a toxicology, they may not. So there's a lot of pitfalls when it comes to travel insurance. 100% get it. Every time you travel, get it. Because you'd be surprised, particularly if it's somewhere like the United States, the cost of a hospital bed, the cost of treatment, the cost of airlifting back here. You know,
it's just a peace of mind.
And you know, no one can pay that. It's just going to be too much. So always have it, but certainly get the right product for the activity you're doing. And, you know, we're all there to have a great time and that, but you want to have peace of mind and enjoy the vacation and not worry about these things.
You enjoy your vacation, because I know you're setting off with the fam jam. Always appreciate you coming on and breaking it all down for us. Nainesh Kotak from Kotak Law. That's our show. We'll see you tomorrow, everybody. Bye-bye. Bon voyage. Yeah, because we have this.